Here's how to loose lace Old Skool Vans. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above. So pop that one out of the way. Take a hold of your other lace end and feed it down into this eyelet also from above, just like that. And here's a cool tip. Before you pull your laces all the way through, take both lace ends, hold them together, take hold of your Vans and just pull that. And that will mean your laces will come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it at all, that's fine. Just pause the video and take a minute to make sure they're equal before we carry on. Then we're going to start with the lace on this side. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next empty eyelet on this side. From above, bring that through. Looking good. Then we're going to swap to the other one and do the same on the other side. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next empty eyelet on this side from above. So we're always going down into the eyelets from above, not coming up through them from underneath. Looking good. Then we're going to continue on with that pattern by keeping a hold of this one first, bringing it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap into the other one, bring it over, and down to the next empty eyelet on this side. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause the video as much as you need. Just make sure to go at your own pace with this, there's no rush. Then we're going to continue on with that pattern exactly like we've been doing. So this side first, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet on this side. Swap to the other lace, bring it over and down to the next empty eyelet on this side. Looking good. Keep a hold of this one first, bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Making sure there's no twists and just taking our time to get it looking crisp. Swap to the other lace, bring it over and down to the next empty eyelet on this side. Always from above. Continue on with that, starting with this lace. Bring it over and down to the next empty eyelet. Then just swap into the other one. And doing the same on this side. Down into that next empty eyelet. Looking good. Again, keep a hold of this one first. Bring it over. Down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Bring it through. Swap to the other one. Bring it over and down to the next empty eyelet on this side. Great, now we've reached the final eyelets, we're going to do something a little bit different. You might have more or less eyelets than me, depending on your shoe size, because they do change. But when we get to the final one, we always do something a little bit different. So keep a hold of this lace first, like we've been doing, and we're going to bring it up through this eyelet from underneath this time, not down into it from above. So just peel that back and bring that lace end through that eyelet from underneath. And you want to bring it through around about this much. Don't worry about that excess lace, we'll sort it in a second. Instead, swap to your other lace and do the same on this side. Bring the lace end up through that eyelet from underneath, around about this much. And then you just want to take the excess lace and just simply tuck it behind the sneaker tongue out of sight. And that'll just sit on top of your foot and you'll be able to slip your feet in and out without the need for tying them up. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Old Skool Vans. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.